From our head down to our toes, our amazing body grows. Brain so clever, brain so bright, helping us think day and night. Learning numbers, shapes and songs, helping us all day long. Lub dub, hear the beat, working softly, nice and neat. Pumping blood both near and far, our little heart's a shining star. Breathing in the fresh clean air, breathing out with gentle care. Oh, you healthy tummy, happy play, mixing food throughout the day. Apples, carrots, milk so sweet, healthy foods are fun to eat. Help us stand big and tall, jump and dance and play with all. Milk and sunshine help them grow, strong and healthy head to toe. Muscles stretch and muscles bend, helping every move we send. Run and climb and jump around, super strength can now be found. Eyes can see the stars above, ears hear music that we love. Nose smells flowers in the air, tongue tastes yummy treats to share. Drink cool sensors, sleep at night, exercise and feel just right. Healthy food and happy play, keep our bodies strong each day. My amazing body, yes it's true, works so hard for me and you. Think and move and breathe all day, helping us laugh, learn and play. From our brain down to our toes, our amazing body grows. Healthy, happy, strong and bright, shining like a star tonight, shining like a star tonight.
Hello, little learners. Today we will explore the amazing human body. Step by step we learn today, tiny science in a happy way. Let's move our body together. Ha! Head and shoulders, knees and toes. Our amazing body grows and grows. Ha! Can you clap your hands? Great job. Now jump 2 times. Clap, 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 and jump so high, stretch your arms up to the sky. Your body helps you walk, run, eat, laugh, and play. Yeah! Our body helps us every day to jump and learn and laugh. The brain is the boss of the body. Brain so clever, brain so bright, helping us think day and night. Think and learn and count and play, our smart brain helps every day. Listen carefully. Lub-dub, lub-dub. Little heart goes beat, 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 working softly, nice and neat. Round and round the blood cells go, helping every part to grow. The heart pumps blood all around your body. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Breathing in and breathing out, that's what lungs are all about. Ready to build something awesome today? Our body is amazing. Brain to think and heart to beat. Our body makes us strong and neat. This is the stomach. The stomach is like a food mixer inside your body. Tiny tummy working right, helping food from day to night. When you eat food, it travels down into your stomach.
Chew, chew, chew your food today. Down the tummy tube it goes away.
Healthy foods help your stomach stay happy and strong. Apple crunchy, carrots sweet. Healthy foods are fun to eat. Too much junk food can make your stomach feel unhappy. Too much candy every day can make the tummy sad this way. Mix and mash and swirl around, energy magic can be found. Mix and mash and swirl around, energy magic can be found. Healthy tummy, happy play, strong and active every day. These are your bones. All your bones together are called the skeleton.
Bones are hard because they contain minerals like calcium. Drinking milk and eating healthy foods every day helps bones grow strong.
Bones and muscles work together to help your body move. Exercise, running, jumping, and playing help keep bones strong. Bones protect important body parts like the brain, heart, and lungs. The skull protects the brain, and the ribs protect the chest organs. To make bones strong every day, eat healthy foods, drink milk, exercise, and get sunlight safely. An adult human body has 206 bones. Babies are born with more bones, and some join together as they grow. Ready to build something awesome today? Muscles are soft, strong body parts that help us move. Your body has more than 600 muscles working every day. Muscles pull on bones to help your body move. Even smiling, blinking, and breathing use muscles. Exercise helps muscles grow stronger and healthier. Running, climbing, jumping, and sports make muscles powerful. Healthy foods help muscles grow and repair. Protein foods and water are very important for strong muscles. The heart is a special muscle that works all day and night. Muscles help your whole body move, protect organs, and keep you strong. The 5 senses help us understand the world around us. They send important information to the brain every second. Eyes help us see colors, shapes, people, and places. Eating carrots, vegetables, and resting your eyes helps keep them healthy. Ears help us hear sounds like music, voices, and nature. Loud noise can hurt ears, so protecting hearing is very important. The nose helps us smell things around us. Good smells and bad smells help keep us safe and aware. The tongue helps us taste sweet, salty, sour, and bitter foods. Drinking water and brushing teeth help keep the tongue healthy.
Skin helps us feel hot, cold, soft, rough, and gentle touch. Skin also protects the body from germs, dirt, and small injuries.
Our body is amazing and works every day to help us think, move, breathe, feel, and grow strong.